Hello everyone. Hello. I am here with a Crafty Dollar Tree haul, and it might get a little long, but I've gotten a little bit here and a little bit there. I've had to go to a couple of stores to get some new readers and some sunglasses. For some unknown reason, after this last little bit of eye surgery I had, the type of reader I need has changed. Not a big deal, but it has, and so I needed different readers. And then on top of that, I got some sunglasses, and then somehow or another they keep getting absconded with, but you know how that goes. Anyways, I'm just going to get to it and show you the things I got and why I got them. I had gotten a butterfly border from the teacher section, and it's real cute with the butterflies all cut out. So I got this little bird border, and these little birds' wings pop out. So I think it's really cute, and there's these little limbs in there, so I think that'll be fun. I needed some giant paper clips. I have little paper clips, but I didn't have any giant ones. I got this. I'm going to take it apart and just cut this off right here and use it as a stamp on my jelly plate. I've used wooden stamps before, and for $1 I thought, oh, that'll be really cool to try. So it's gonna, you know, I'll have to take it apart, and I don't think it'll take that much to take it apart, but that's the plan with that. And then they had a couple of these Project Life packages. This is the first time I've seen them in my store. They're bright colors, they're fun 60s kind of peace symbols and sunglasses and stuff. So I thought that I could use those as journal cards or something in a journal. So they only had these two. I went ahead and got them both because I figured if I was going to do a journal, I usually do 2 signatures that are the same. So I thought that would work real well. And I have looked for this book in the past. This book is an interactive book. And let's see, it originally sold for $23, $22.95. But it's all about this correspondence between this man and woman, and it has their correspondence in it. And every so often there is like this, where it has a letter actually in the book that you take out. So I thought that would be fun, and plus I had always wanted to read it and see what it was about. For $1, I figured it's not going to hurt my feelings to pay $1 for it. These are, let me get them out. I'm trying to get organized. It's harder and harder all the time. But these are little envelope things where you can slide in a piece of paper that says what it is. And I have my project boxes, and they change, but it would be really nice if I could just grab the right box without having to look at it. So I thought those might work real well, so I got a package of those. I've been looking for more of these, and I got a few of these. I got some of this Beacon spray adhesive and a small bottle of tacky glue, because the last time I tried to use my tacky glue, it was hard inside. So this is something I've never tried, so I thought I would try it. Beacon is supposed to be a good glue, so, and I don't have any spray adhesive, so I thought it would be something I could try. The tacky glue is something I've used in the past. Got a few pairs of these. And I had wanted some more of these, and I did manage to get, I think I've already used out of this box. So I did manage to get a couple packages. Let me set this back out of the way. Today, I found something different. I had wanted more of these. I had wanted more of these with the zipper in them because they're, they have a, what do you call this? Gusset in the side. Couldn't find those, but they had these, and this gusset is fabric. So these are probably going to hold up better. Now they don't have the zipper, but they have a very nice envelope snap. So I think these will work real well. Plus, the plastic in them is a little heavier. So they're the same size. So I think they're going to work real well. They don't have the gusset on the bottom. So that might be something that's, you know, they might not hold as much. Alrighty, I was able to get some more sunglasses. For some reason, one store I went to had almost nothing, and then the other store had tons. So you just never know. I also got some of these. These are moisture eliminators. I've never tried them before. My laundry room is kind of damp. Of course, everything here this time of year is damp. I got a couple for the camper and for the laundry room, and I'm not sure how well they'll work, but you know, for $1 it was worth trying them. The ones I have bought in the past at Walmart are like $15, so you know, it's worth a try. Had to get some more white paint. The girl was stocking this paint today, so if your Dollar Tree carries this paint at all, it is coming back in. I got 3 rolls of ribbon. I thought this black and this cream were real pretty, and this green was just pretty. I thought I haven't worked on my leaf journal yet, but I thought maybe I might get a chance to work on that soon. I actually got 2 of these. I have a lot of, what do you call those? Things like this. These are brads, okay? And I have brads and grommets and those kinds of things. And they're all in these separate little packages, which is kind of a pain. And I thought that these seem to close pretty well. You have to close it and then push them down, but they seem to stay latched pretty well. So I thought I would try those for $1. I didn't want anything big because the things I want to put in it is tiny. So I got those. I had never seen those before. Oh, I got some birds a few weeks ago in this same kind of, they look like they're cork or paper bag or craft paper, whatever they are, and these butterflies were just too pretty to pass up. So I got some of those. Then they had these, and these are in the seasonal party section. Now, they have all kinds of paper napkins, paper bags, that kind of thing in that section. This is a napkin I don't have, so I picked it up because we're doing the napkin journal, and I thought it would be a really pretty page. And then when I saw these, I was even more excited because if I understood some of the videos that I saw, these are actually not attached to the string. If they are, oh, they are, but they're just taped to the string. I can take that piece of tape off there without any problem. And isn't that a fun die cut? Now I can cut it out more carefully if I want, but I thought for $1, that's a lot of fun. I can back this with some white paper or white card, and it would be really cute as journal cards and tucks. So I got the one that has, it's got butterflies and flowers, and then I got this other one that had the flowers and the hummingbirds. Okay, let's just get that out of the way. And then I had been seeing seeing about these online, and while I cared nothing at all about the stickers inside of them, these are resealable little mason jars. So the stickers come out, and you've got this little jar that has like a zipper bag closed. Isn't that adorable? That'll be such a cute pocket in a journal. They only had these two, so I will be keeping my eye out. This is the first time I've seen them, except online. And the stickers are cute. I mean, they're not something that excites me terribly. This one has stars that do have words on it. This one has little jewels. So, but I've been looking for those. Those were kind of like on my wish list. And then I got a couple things just because. Of course, I got lots of things just because. When we did our fairy journal, Lisa found a garden ornament that we took apart and used in our journal. And I saw these today, and these are just too fun. They're on little springs, so they have this little springy thing. But they will come apart just like that, and that would go through a cover and stay on the cover real well. And this one is really fun too. So I got those. Something said I needed to make a butterfly journal, so I think I'm going to be doing an altered butterfly book here soon. And I'm trying to organize, so I got these, and I only got two because I didn't know how well the lids stayed on, which they don't. That is what I was afraid of. See, if you're going to store something sideways on a metal table, this lid needs to stay on. That's not going to work very well. So, I'm glad I only bought the one package. And honestly, I think that's it. Yep. Like I said, I did get a bunch more of these smaller ones. They haven't had these at most of the stores lately. The store I went into today is one. It's on the other side of town, and it's one of two that stocks the craft stuff and the paint, and they were very well stocked today. I was very surprised. They didn't have some of the things I've been seeing online, but they had everything was really well stocked, and all of their school supplies are out right now. Now, none of these things, none of these organizer envelopes were in the school supply section. They were all back in the office supply section, but there was a lot of school supplies in there today. So, okay guys, I'm going to run along and clean up this mess I just made, put it hopefully away, and see what's next on my agenda. You have a great day. Go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.